Hey guys, welcome to my channel, your tech partner. Today in this video we will talk about how to download Aadhaar card online. Yes friends, you can now download Aadhaar card online and there is no need to visit any enrollment center. Remember that you need to have your mobile number registered with your Aadhaar number. So now let's start the video. Click the subscribe button and press the bell icon for all latest updates of this channel. In this video, you will learn about how to download Aadhaar card online. So you need to follow the steps shown in this video to download Aadhaar card online. Open your browser and in the Google search bar, search for UIDAI. Now click on the first search result UIDAI. It will direct you to the official website of the Unique Identification Authority of India, where you can access the online Aadhaar services. Now here click on download Aadhaar. A pop-up will show up which will direct you to the page where you have the option to download Aadhaar card. Now read the important info note carefully. The Aadhaar card that you will download comes password protected. So here are the sample passwords. See this carefully and remember what you have to type in your password protected Aadhaar card PDF file. So now let us proceed further. Now close this pop-up. Now here are three options given. You can download your Aadhaar card with your Aadhaar number, virtual ID number, enrollment ID. Now put your Aadhaar number or enrollment ID or virtual ID, whatever you have. Now in the next field you have to type your full name as on the registered Aadhaar card. Now type the PIN code of your city. Now enter the same security code that is mentioned here. Now click on the request OTP. Now click on I agree. Here it is said that your one-time password would be sent on the registered mobile number. Check the last 4 digits of your mobile number that you are having right now, that you have registered with the Aadhaar card. Now click on confirm. Now I will enter the OTP. Now click on download Aadhaar. A PDF file has been downloaded automatically. Now it is asking for a password. Remember earlier you have seen an important note about the passwords where sample passwords have been shown. Now I will type my password. Now click on submit. I have successfully downloaded my Aadhaar card online. Now you can download your Aadhaar card online by following the same steps. You can ask queries in the comment section below. Feel free to hit the like button and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.